Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the mouse lag or freeze problem in your Windows 10 PC. So first of all, you just need to go to the search bar here and search for device manager. After searching for device manager, you will see option called device manager here, or you can just right click on it and you can see the menu here in here, and you can find device manager here. So you can just open from start menu, click on device manager, and the device manager window will open up, and then you just have to find the option called mice and other pointing devices. So you just have to expand that option, and you have to choose the mouse option here, not the touchpad option here. So you have to choose the HID complaint or the mouse that you have. So just right click on it and you will see option called update driver here. So you just have to click update driver here and click search automatically for drivers here. Click on that and it will update your driver for you, but I have already the updated version of mouse driver here, so it will not update anymore. So you just have to update your driver here and hope that will fix your problem. And if that doesn't work, you just have to go to the start menu here, click on the start menu, then go to the settings option. After opening the settings option, you have to go to the devices option here, click on devices here, and from the left here you have to choose mouse here, click on mouse option. And if we scroll down, you will see an option called additional mouse option here. If you choose click on additional mouse option here, this will open a window here, and you have to go to the pointer tab option here, click on pointer option, and you have to uncheck the enhance pointer precision here. So you have to check the enhance pointer option here, click apply and OK. Then you just have to restart your computer, and also you can reinsert your mouse in your laptop or PC. So hopefully that will fix your mouse freeze or lag problem in your Windows 10 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.